Hey guys, this is the Switchblade comb review, as you can see right here, and I'm just going to throw this out. It's pretty good for $4 of $4 equipment. I mean, it has a nice spring, has a little kick to it, but the only real problem I figured out so far was when I got it, I got this little bent, but I mean, doesn't really matter. The majority of it's metal, except the comb itself and the wooden design right here. Here, let me see if I could zoom in so you could see. The button to activate the spring is metal, so is the safety. And here, I'll show you the kick one more time before I end this video. So, safety off. And that's the review of the Switchblade comb. eBay Reviews Junior signing out.